Ah, Hi there. My name is Sandra, and I am the facilitator of the Modern Day Analyst. I wanted to personally invite you to this event or workshop, which allows you to use AI tools to do your business analysis and your data analysis job. So, whether you're a professional looking into using AI, or whether you're a freelancer that uses AI on clients' projects, whether you're a founder or an entrepreneur who's trying to turn ideas into a product, and whether you're just looking for a career change and you want to know what a business analyst or a data analyst actually do, this is the workshop for you. The event is going to be at Sabre Business Center in Harare, and we'll see you there on the 14th and the 15th of August.